It's a spark. It's the glimmer that shows you can. From generation to generation, people of all nations have had an innate desire to learn. Regardless of religion, race, or gender, everyone has the right and ability to strive for more.
I'm Steve Goodgame, Executive Director of the KISS Institute for Practical Robotics. We're a nonprofit organization located in Norman, Oklahoma. We were founded in 1994 by Dr. David Miller and Catherine Stein. Dr. Miller is actually a world-class roboticist who did a lot of prototyping on the Mars rovers and continues to do research in real-world robotics. And at the time, they had the vision to start an outreach program so high school kids could also have the opportunity to learn these great skills. The organization has since extended their reach to middle school, high school, and elementary kids through all of our programs, Junior Bot Ball Challenge, Bot Ball, and our Global Conference on Educational Robotics.
At KISS Institute for Practical Robotics, we foster the improvement of the public's understanding of science, technology, engineering, and math. We give teachers all the tools they need to help expose their students to this ever-growing industry. With the advancement of technology, it is important for our children to be given access to every opportunity made available.
One of the things that I did notice when I started working with this program was the minimal number of girls involved, and not just in our school site, but overall in the program. And through some study and research, looking at the future for our girls, is that the future for them after they graduate out of high school is enormous. It is an infinity of opportunities for them.
Now, when it comes down to the misrepresentation of minorities, I mean, once again, that's not even a secret anymore. That's not something that should be shocking to anybody. There's a huge gap that needs to be closed. And if you go back, you have more, people from Asian background or people, from African American background try to join. It's always hard for them to join the sector of STEM, but which I believe now things have changed because a lot more of the minority people are working backdoor and try to develop their own codes or their own website and things like that to show that they can actually compete against, other races.
Our state-of-the-art programs help to promote interest and excitement in the STEM field. Our most popular program being Bot Ball.
I just think the opportunity that our students have been given through Bot Ball at Soldier Creek Elementary, but also across the state, and the events that our kids have been able to go to have just been just something that it's not just a one-time event that they'll forget about. This is a lifelong skill, and just to become STEM capable and not just possibly becoming an engineer, but that really learning those skills that are needed for no matter what job field they choose to go to. And so I think for us as parents, that's invaluable.
And I would definitely agree. Just even as a parent and in my career as well, it has helped me to understand the need for this. And I have always been so excited for my daughter to finally find this and to be excited about herself and for her to want to become an engineer. It's amazing.
Mm-hmm. We have a higher representation of Native students. We have some teams that are all female, which is amazing. It's really exciting to see the way that they interact with one another and the high fives and the excitement and the contemplation. And I've just really, just me personally, I've found great joy in watching these young people who are so determined they don't give up.
Steve Jobs once said, "Everyone should learn how to program a computer because it teaches you how to think differently." At KISS Institute, we are lighting the fuse to ignite the passion in children nationwide. Because every child deserves to think differently.